In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Facebook pixel data 5 minutes. If you want to confirm your website events are firing, or you're troubleshooting your tracking, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to look and what to expect. Before we start, make sure you're signed into the correct Facebook business account and that a pixel is already installed on your website. Using a desktop browser is best for speed and visibility. First, open your browser and go to eventsmanager.facebook.com. This is the central hub for all your website and app events. If you manage multiple businesses, double check the business selector at the top to ensure you're in the right account. The page may load directly into your event tools, but if it doesn't, you'll see an option labeled Events Manager. Click that to open the main dashboard where your data sources are organized. Once you're in, look for the section called Datasets. Datasets is where Meta groups your data sources, including pixels and conversions API connections. Clicking into Datasets gives you a clear list of all available pixels tied to the selected business. Now select the pixel whose data you want to view. You'll typically see a pixel name and an ID. After selecting it, you'll land on an overview with metrics like recent activity, event counts, and connection status. You can adjust the date range in the top right corner to widen or narrow the window of data you're reviewing. If the graph looks flat but you expect traffic, confirm you chose the right pixel and that your site has recent visits. To validate events in real time, head over to the Test Events tab. This is your live debugging tool. Here, you can enter your website URL and open it in a new tab to simulate a visit. As you navigate your site, events such as page view, view content, add to cart, or purchase will appear almost instantly in the test events stream, along with useful details like the event name, timestamp, and certain parameters. If nothing shows up, try disabling ad blockers, confirm you're on the same domain where the pixel is installed, and refresh the page. You can also switch devices or browsers to rule out local issues. That's it. You went to Events Manager, opened Datasets, selected your pixel, and used test events to see activity live. With these steps, you can quickly verify tracking, diagnose missing events, and gain confidence that your pixel is sending accurate data to your ad account. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking.